UAVS stock analysis. This is for Tuesday, so is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So Ageagle Aerial Systems been sitting at $8.92, like 2.53% off for the day. Where are we heading next? One thing is for sure is that I personally am very bullish, and it's not like I'm gonna start placing random buys everywhere. No, it's more a strategic approach. I've done 32,000 videos over the last 4 years, so I do have a lot of experience what's worked for me, what's not. So I'm kind of sharing it with you. And specifically here, these are going to be kind of my target. So this is my target at 1037. If I see the price retrace lower inside my demand area, and then from there I see the proper double break, cool. Above from here, I know it looks phenomenal, and the likelihood of the price just delivering through the highs compared to this is quite higher, but you know, it just sometimes, you know, you gotta have priorities. If the price doesn't give me the rules, there's no way that I'll force. So I'm just giving you what I'll do, but if you want to learn the strategy for free, just click the first link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.